Welcome back. Now there are three additional features in the insert menu that you'll want to take note of. The first is going to be your ability to take a screenshot and add it to your document. So for example, if we know where we want to add the screenshot and then we were to go to this menu and then we were to click this link, we would then be given the available windows that we can take a screenshot of. We'll click the window that we want to add, and then we'll add in the screenshot in this area. And of course, to remove it or to retrace our steps, we can then click undo. We can also cross-reference other places in the document. So for example, if we were to click this button, we can choose the kind of reference that we want to create inside of the document. So if we want to reference a particular heading, we can do that. And we can click this link. We can choose the heading that we want to cross-reference. We'll then select the reference. We can decide on how we want the reference to appear. So for example, we can have the clickable reference to the heading text, and we can then insert this as a hyperlink. Once we've completed this, we can then click close. And what the individual will do when they click the link, they're then taken to the area of the text where we designate. We can also insert symbols when we need to. What we'll need to do is to go to this menu. We'll then choose the symbols that we want to insert. We can then click on the link, then click insert. What we can also do inside of Microsoft Word is to insert the Alt symbols. So for example, if we were to select the Alt key, and then we were to write in a number, if we know the Alt code, we can then have our symbol inside of our area. For example, if we know our code, all we'll need to do is to click the Alt tab. We'll then write in our code, and then our symbol will be there. Now before this video closes, it's important to note that we can also create references by link using just the link command. So for example, if we wanted to highlight this area of the text and we wanted to make it clickable and we want to create a hyperlink, what we'll do is we'll get this menu. What we're going to do is we're going to click place in this document, and then we're going to find the area where we want the link. Now we can actually use either a heading or a bookmark that we set with this key. Now in this case, what we're going to do is we're going to click this button, and we're then going to click OK. That means then that this heading or this text will then be clickable to the area of our document that we have specified. And we can do that by just hitting Control click. That'll take us to our other area that we highlighted. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.